Lily's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making...
Strawberries!
No, we're not going to be making strawberries. We're going to be making rainbow popsicles. And there is going to be strawberry in there. So you better look for the strawberries. So, we're going to be following a bit of this program that my brother loves. He loves. Come back here, you little chicken monkey. Come back. Come. Come. Just come here. Orion, do you want to sing Rainbow Popsicles?
Yes.
Okay, it's time for rainbow popsicle. Yummy, yummy, colourful popsicle. Time for rainbow popsicle. What colour do we need? Red. So, what fruit do we need for red, Orion?
Strawberry.
Good boy. So, we're going to get the strawberries. Now we have our strawberries right in front of us. This guy wants to eat the strawberries and gobble them up. Well, he can't because we first need to wash them and then we need to blend them and then we'll put it in our popsicle containers. Now we've blended our strawberries. We didn't add anything in it, just strawberries and we blended them. So we're gonna add our blended strawberries in our popsicle mold and then we're gonna keep it in the freezer for 1 hour so it can set. And then we'll do the next one. Orion, do you think it's gonna turn out nice?
No.
Oops! Now we put our blended strawberries in our popsicle mold. We're gonna keep our popsicle mold in the freezer for 1 hour. And then it'll be all nice and frozen. And then we can put the next layer on. Time for rainbow popsicle. Yummy, yummy, colourful popsicle. Time for rainbow popsicle. What colour do we need? Orange! And the fruit for orange is also orange! These smell delicious. I just want to try them. I just want to try them. They smell delicious. Okay, now we're going to blend them because we've peeled all our oranges and break them into the pieces and we're going to blend them now. Can you see them? Again, we have to suck our ears because we can hear the blender again. Now we have to add our orange layer because the strawberry layer is all frozen. So we're going to add our orange layer and our popsicle molds now. This time we're going to put the sticks in and you can see we've already done 2. Yeah. That the help?
Yes.
Oh, that was a close one. Now we're going to pop it in the freezer again for 1 hour and then we can put the next layer. It just looks so delicious already, I just want to try it. I just want to eat it! Time for rainbow popsicle. Yummy, yummy, colourful popsicle. Time for rainbow popsicle. What colour do we need?
Yes.
No, yellow. And what fruit do we need for yellow? No, what fruit do we need for yellow? What's that? It's pineapple! And now we're going to blend our pineapples up and put them in our popsicle molds and then put it in the freezer. Now we've blended our pineapples, we're going to add it in our popsicle molds. And I'm going to do it because he likes it too much. No, What's this? Time for a rainbow popsicle. Yummy, yummy, colourful popsicle. Time for a rainbow popsicle. What colour do we need? Green. And the fruit we need for green is kiwi. And you can see it's right here, that orange heading. And can you see the orange and the yellow? It looks like a sunset a bit like. Can you see it? And now you have to blend your kiwi and then put it in your popsicle molds and then put it in the freezer again. Pour our kiwi in our popsicle molds, and we have to try to not put it up to the top because we're going to add the blue layer. So I'm going to add our kiwi. Now we put the kiwi in our popsicle molds, we're going to put it in the freezer for 1 hour. Time for rainbow popsicle. Yummy, yummy, colourful popsicle. Time for rainbow popsicle. What colour do we need? No, it's blue. I thought you said right. So now we're going to blend some blueberries and then we're going to add it in the molds and put it in the freezer. Why are you closing your eyes? Open your eyes. Open your eyes. No. Open your eyes. The layers are done. We're going to keep it in the freezer overnight and then we're going to try it tomorrow. Whoa! We made rainbow popsicles! We're going to eat them. All of them. Okay, not all of them.
Bye-bye.
We'll share two. Yeah, okay. We made rainbow popsicles and this is so exciting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! I'm going to say bye. Bye-bye. I love these.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.